Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do double cross combs. Now, some experience with combs would be helpful, and if you've ever done a double cross before, then this is a cracking way to get out of a double cross. Links in the description below for some things that will be helpful. But the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it starts off in two hands to get into a double cross, though of course this would be much more useful on the dance floor if you were already in a double cross because of another move and you use this as a way out. But to get into the double cross, we're going to do a pass down the man's left hand side, so in a turn direction for the lady. So semicircle back, two hands, we bring the lady down the left hand side, both hands go over the head. So we end up in a double cross, and the reason we wanted to end up in a double cross this way is we wanted the left arms on top. If we were to do double cross down the other side, we'd end up turning the other way at the end of the combs. So from here we start lady coming forwards, the right hand is going to go up and over the lady as the left hand comes up and over the guy. Little push to send the lady away, guy's backing up, we just slide down those right arms, and the guys want to go thumb down, so we come around on the outside of the lady's hand. So thumb down sets us up nicely for a return, and you can either roll the hand underneath at the end, or the easy option is to just place the lady's hand in the left when you're done. So let's think numbers. Semicircle back, two hands, count 1. Passing down the left hand side, two hands high, 2. All the way through to having changed ends into the double cross, 3. We comb, 4. Back to the hand, 5. Returning, 6. And stepping away, 7. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, double cross, combs. We go a back, over the top, and look. Comb, back to the hand, return, and back, and that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We really do appreciate everybody who likes and subscribes what we're doing, because it helps promote it, and of course if it does well then we'll do more content. There's a music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.